Alright, welcome back to the Roadmap Journey series. We are now moving on to Module 14, which is setting up email flows with the StanStore. So this module is really short. There is only one video, but just a quick disclaimer. This is not included with your $29 a month or $300 a year subscription. This is in the $99 per month tier only. So if you are not a StanStore subscriber in that tier, this option will not be available for you. I think it's still super valuable to learn it because this may be the reason why you jump from the $29 a month to the $99 per month, simply because of this option. So with that being said, let's dive in. Now, because this is a $99 option, it also will integrate with MailChimp if you're using MailChimp as well. They're giving you the example within this module of the roadmap. So someone has purchased the roadmap, you want to send them a thank you for your purchase email, automated, and so you're creating that email, you're crafting it what you want to say, and then from that point on, you can include other links for other products, let's say a freebie, or then you want them to join your email list. You can add those links. And so you're going to learn how to set up an email campaign through StanStore. And so, in just my opinion, it's very basic compared to what you're about to learn in the next module. At the end of the day, if you have the $99 option and you're paying, you might as well take advantage of every single feature that you're paying for, right? So this might be another great way for you to have an email campaign running through System.io, but you might want to simultaneously have your email campaign running also through the StanStore. It really depends on where you're getting the traffic. So if you're on TikTok and you have your StanStore linked at the top and people are clicking that StanStore and they're signing up for your email list because you have your email campaign set up through the StanStore, that might be a phenomenal way for you. At the same time, your System.io email marketing campaign is building up a list as well, and you're just meshing those two lists together and providing service to the people who are becoming your email subscribers. So that wraps this one up. We are going to go into module 15 in the next video, which is email marketing with System.io. So if there's any questions at all about what we discussed in this video, please leave them in the comments. And as always, guys, we will see you in the next one.